If you are looking for the best Ethernet cable for gaming, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Amazon Basics RJ45 Cat6 Ethernet Patch Internet Cable. The Amazon Basics line is an initiative of the world's largest reseller, which aims to provide the greatest public with good quality products. A Cat6 is certainly a model surpassed by certain newer Ethernet cables, but its UTP cabling system is one of the most effective for this type of model in terms of noise and interference reduction. Cat5 Ethernet cables offer 250 MHz of bandwidth and transmission up to 1 gigabit per second. In practice, this represents around 130 ms of actual download speed. In the event of a malfunction, this Ethernet cable is guaranteed for 1 year. Number 2. Jadaol Cat6 Ethernet Cable. Jadaol is an excellent Ethernet cable for those who want to game without any problem. This cable is best for building an ultra-fast gaming network at your home. This Cat6 cable offers an ultra-fast transfer rate of up to 10 gigabits per second with a max bandwidth of 250 MHz. With this affordable price, it also comes with a packet of 15 cable chips, so that you can mount the wire on the wall, and there's no need to buy an extra package of clips elsewhere. The high-performance RJ45 connector provides great LAN connectivity for each device. Number 3. UGREEN Cat7 Ethernet Cable. UGREEN is a very popular brand, famous for making quality products for networking. This particular model comes with the length of 3, 6, 10, 15, 30 and 50 feet, so you can buy the one that best meets your requirements. On the other hand, since it is a Category 7 Ethernet cable, it is black to avoid attracting attention, as well as having a flat construction, being suitable for discrete installations. It has integrated RJ45 connectors so you don't have to worry about installing them yourself or taking it to a technician. Number 4. Cable Matters Snagless Long Cat6 Ethernet Cable. It is the top-performing cable that provides universal connectivity. It is a Cat6 Ethernet cable providing you a transmission rate of up to 1000 megabits per second and a total bandwidth of 250 MHz. With these numbers, it is the best Ethernet cable for gaming. It also comes with colored insulation, so that if you have multiple connections you can differentiate between them. The wiring of this cable is made of 100% bare copper, which will avoid latency and packet loss which playing gaming or streaming. Number 5. Dacrown Cat8 Ethernet Cable 50 feet shielded. Dacrown Cat8 Ethernet cable provides you the bandwidth of 2000 MHz and a transmission rate up to 40 gigabits per second. This is the most advanced Ethernet cable in the world, and if you're having problems while streaming and playing games, then you can opt for this one. The Dacrown Ethernet cable is backward supported by all the categories. It is best for PS3, PS4, Xbox, network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, DSL cable modems, servers, TV box, laptops, PC, printers, networking switches, ADSL, patch panels, and other high-performance networking applications.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.